Hi, my name is Kung Zern Liang. This topic is about radiation and heat transfer. What is radiation? Radiation is the transfer of heat energy through electromagnetic waves. Unlike conduction or convection, radiation does not need a medium. It can occur even in a vacuum. Microwaves radiation. Microwaves heat food primarily through radiation. The microwave radiation penetrates the food and interacts mostly with polar molecules, especially water, but also fats and sugars to some extent. The molecules try to align with the rapidly changing electric field of the microwave. As the molecules rotate back and forth, they collide with each other, generating heat through internal friction. Microwave radiation is emitted by the magnetron. Radiation penetrates the food and is absorbed by polar molecules. Molecules rotate and vibrate due to the oscillating electric field. Collisions between molecules generate heat. This is the heat transfer. Heat then spreads by conduction within the food. Thank you.